Nowadays, glaciers are melting, sea levels are rising. Global warming is an indisputable fact. An important factor in global warming is growing carbon emissions. Vehicle transportation is the second largest source of greenhouse gas emissions, with trucks being the greatest source. The truck's original air conditioner is driven by the engine, which must be powered on to run the air conditioner while the truck is coming to a stop. This will cause a large amount of greenhouse gas, CO2, emissions and accelerate the damage to the engine. As a company concerned with climate change, we are the first one who launched a 24-volt new energy air conditioner in 2009, which can reduce fuel consumption while protecting the environment, saving energy and reducing emissions. Guangdong Topleader Automobile Air Conditioning Company Limited is the leader in the autonomous cooling air conditioner industry, with full capabilities of research and development, manufacturing, sales, and service. Topleader self-developed the idle-free air conditioner, which features a long-lasting cooling time, fast cooling, quiet and eco-friendly, and is the leading brand in the domestic market. Topleader has fully passed IATF 16949 and ISO 9001 International Quality Management System and Environmental Management System certification. Products have passed 3C, CE, EMC, FCC, SGS, and other authoritative certifications, and obtained more than 30 patents. We have been supplying to the vehicles of many international brands. Topleader is also awarded with the honor of being recognized as a national high-tech enterprise due to the core component professional solution on the automobile air-conditioned system. And we have all sorts of cases for developing and manufacturing high-quality air conditioners. We are well recognized for quality. All products are 100% tested, and we have also undergone multiple quality tests before shipment. Topleader has been experiencing a 30% year-on-year growth. Topleader is able to manufacture 300,000 units of compressor drivers and 100,000 units of air conditioners yearly. Our main products include our DC electric compressor, compressor controller, and air conditioner systems, which are widely utilized for construction machinery, trucks, special vehicles, RVs, fire trucks, agricultural machinery, yachts, refitted vehicles, diesel locomotive, new energy vehicles, and other vehicles. Topleader occupies an area of more than 50,000 square meters with a modern manufacturing and R&D center. Topleader has invested in a psychrometer test lab and a variety of its own testing facilities, which are in line with international standards to stimulate the performance of our air conditioners under various extreme conditions, so as to ensure that our products meet with the application design requirements. Over the last 10 years of development, our products and services have been exported worldwide to places like the USA, Mexico, Latin America countries, South Korea, India, Australia, Saudi Arabia, Spain, Germany, and more. We believe in the vision of tech innovation. We serve the world and always uphold the spirit of professionalism, focus, and dedication to our customers. No fuel consumption, zero emissions. Let's work together to make a better, greener world.